So assembly video for the dog bone stand. So start with the wheelbase, a long pole with the bone into place, bracket flat side up, nut and bolt, in through the stand, just hand tighten, four-sided bracket up, so look, rings and washers, then four-sided bracket, top part of the pole, clip, slides on down, and just tighten into place. Bottom half of the stand, hang off, slide the top of the stand, put the interconnectors in, slide into place, top bracket, slide over the top, clip for the header card, now be put on. Do the opposite sides then just to balance it out. Slide it into place. That's secure. Top off, slide into place, and lift up the bracket. Last slide, slide into place, lift up the bracket. Stand is complete. Backing boards and fold, slide in, slide into place, attach header card, and complete the other three backing boards. Now that's your stand complete.